大家好，歡迎收睇馬體會嘅 channel。2025年就嚟完結，喺呢一年馬圈都發生咗好多好精彩嘅對決，當中亦都不乏一啲令人覺得好遺憾嘅對決。賽馬勝負往往都係電光火石之間，成王敗寇。但係如果因為一個臂位或者一條頸而輸咗比賽，的確會令人感到好惋惜。咁我哋 channel 就精選咗5場今年比賽遺憾落敗嘅對決，睇下邊一場令人感到最可惜。咁首先打響頭炮嘅就必定係浪漫勇士輸俾青春永駐。喺今年嘅2月22號，浪漫勇士遠征杜拜參加全球最高獎金賽事嘅沙特杯，3檔起步嘅浪漫勇士好快就 settle 好隻馬，而且守咗喺個 box seat 位嗰度。而佢最大對手青春永駐就係14檔起步，同樣地佢出閘都好快就推上前埋到去跟前2碟嘅位置。咁入彎冇耐，麥道朗就將浪漫勇士移出去望空位置上前，其實直路都一度透出先，領先去到最後50米，以為勝利在望之際，點知泥地王青春永駐揮 back 翻上嚟，最尾輸條頸位。當時有好多人都詬病麥道朗嘅騎法，認為佢早咗跟上前，唔知各位又點睇？不過隨住浪漫勇士宣布唔再遠征沙特，亦都注定佢再冇辦法向青春永駐復仇。
Then behind those is Intense for Me, still a gap back to Wood and Sun, Rattle and Roll well back and Ushbar Tesoro as Romantic Warrior moves off the running rail as they approach the bend. So out in the lead, Forever Young on the outside, disputing it with Walk of Stars, right round the outside, Romantic Warrior will be 5 wide into the turn, but is poised under James McDonald as the big two move through. Forever Young, Romantic Warrior sweeps up on the outside for Hong Kong, they lock horns, and it's Romantic Warrior who finds most initially from Forever Young in second place. The two of them are clear from Wilson Tesoro and Factor Cheval, two of the great racehorses in the world. And at the moment, Romantic Warrior holds sway. His rider looks across. Forever Young is trying to close and is beginning to do so. Romantic Warrior from the outside. Forever Young has got to within 3 parts of a length. Romantic Warrior, Forever Young, a race for the ages, and Forever Young rounds off a terrific night for Japan, runs down Romantic Warrior and breaks Hong Kong high.
睇完海外賽，我哋再睇翻一啲香港嘅賽事啊！相信今年嘅呢一場打比，亦都係好多人心目中好意難平嘅一場賽事。事關睇翻呢一場打比，好多人都話祝願輸俾個檔位，14檔被逼要留後跑，入到直路仲要兜個大彎，但係佢末段可以做個21秒38翻嚟，個末段時間仲快過當年嘅金槍60。可惜就係輸俾一步不是嘅八賀飛區，好多人當時都話係輸俾個檔位同埋騎師嘅發揮，但係而家事實證明，就算隻馬跟前咗咁跑，佢同頂級馬仍然係有距離有差距。不過純講呢一場嘅話，的確係好可惜。
桃花開遙遙領先，暫時墊後，仍然係竹園嚟㗎。入正最後直路啦，前面透出嘅馬呢都仲係平凡騎士㗎。然到外邊位置一起美麗上緊嚟啊！內欄位置仲有八賀飛區，沿住個中檔追，有球星出邊包裝復星，最終竹園嚟緊啦！最後300零米啦，透出嘅馬埋邊位置係八賀飛區啊，中間有包裝復星啊，最終衝上嚟係竹園啊！今年打比嘅得主係邊隻？外邊位置係竹園，入邊八賀飛區。
呢一場係今年嘅富衛冠軍一哩賽，鴻運帝王力壓遨遊氣泡奪冠。今場鴻運帝王係12檔起步，出閘好快就搶咗出嚟放頭。其實遨遊氣泡出閘都好快，都緊咬住鴻運帝王守喺前邊嘅第2位。但係入到直路，遨遊氣泡拍住鴻運帝王鬥，但係過極都過唔到鴻運帝王。最後鴻運帝王係以短馬頭位贏咗遨遊氣泡。咁其實當時麥道朗係有抗議鴻運帝王末段係阻到氣泡衝刺，影響到個勝負關係。不過最後係抗議失敗。而喺呢件事可惜嘅點上係，如果唔係呢一場頭馬輸咗，上季馬王嘅寶座可能都仲有價講。
Next is Beauty Joy. He's racing down on the inside. And Ching Ching Glory and Galaxy Patch are the last two. Red Lion leads the way. 600 metres to go. 3/4 on the favourite Voyage Bubble. 3 wide, Gay of Force. My Wish has had a terrific run fourth on the rail. Then came Royal Patronage. Gaumont next from Beauty Eternal. Redline leads for home. Voyage Bubbles right there on his outside. 2 lengths to Little My Wish, and then came Gay of Force. Voyage Bubble and Redline square off for the moment. 2 lengths to My Wish. Then came Galaxy Patch. There's no Mr. Brightside. Redline's going the race of his life. Voyage Bubble, My Wish. Redline kicking over Voyage Bubble. Sunlight Power screaming home. Redline, Voyage Bubble. What a finish! It's close to a.
最後嘅主角都仲係有遨遊氣泡，不過今次遨遊氣泡就可以笑到最後啦。呢一場就係啱啱跑完嘅浪琴一哩錦標，神智勇進其實開賽前都已經打晒開口牌，話呢一場係佢嘅退役之戰，好明顯就係想一雪前恥喺香港贏翻場一級賽。畢竟佢連續2年嚟都分別輸俾金槍60同埋遨遊氣泡。咁11檔起步嘅神智勇進出閘好明顯係跟前咗，就算蝕啲腳程喺外碟都好，都唔想留太後。好明顯就吸取咗之前嚟香港留得太後追唔切嘅教訓。但係好無奈嘅係，佢遇到上咗身嘅潘一哥，就算排12檔都好，佢將遨遊氣泡一夜就攝咗去2碟嘅生位，仲頂住出邊嘅神智勇進，令到佢被逼走3碟。其實入到直路，神智勇進已經一度出頭先，但係好可惜，潘頓學沈集成話齋，真係出盡奶力，使出咗絕技車輪邊，加上最後幾步神智勇進都開始力弱，最終遨遊氣泡係以半個身位反先神智勇進，令到佢退役戰係遺憾收場。
偷入邊上有進位題喎，外邊冚上嚟係標誌銀河，中間位置仲有鴻運帝王同埋竹園啊，最後100零米神智勇進透出咗埋邊遨遊氣泡啊，中檔位置港邊小區追，外邊仲有鴻運帝王，出邊係竹園，最後100米到遨遊氣泡上翻嚟，終點前將神智勇進趕過埋，贏出今屆浪琴香港一哩錦標啊！
睇到嚟呢一度，唔知大家心目中覺得最遺憾嘅對決係邊一場？可以留言話俾我哋知，訂閱讚好，我哋下期見，拜拜。